All right, peeps, we got an interesting event today.
A dog at work.
It's well, not Penny's, but her birthday, and she was trying to be secretive about it. But I got her an amazing gift. I left it in a jar over there. But how's your birthday so far?
It's great. I get to have my dog at work all day.
Crushing it?
Killing it.
Are we gonna go walk around the Charles with the dog, or
yeah,
she's just gonna be chilling?
Maybe she'll take boxing class.
Wait, I don't have class today.
Oh,
bring her Saturday.
I'm not gonna be here Saturday.
Oh. Anyways, we're gonna turn up. We going to the club.
Yep, Club 172 West 6th Street. Right, Penny?
Not that club.
Everything today. I'm still trying to finish the small edits on my website.
Mm-hmm.
It's like the details. Like, you get all this stuff done, but it's like the small stuff. Like, all right, this thing is not working the way I want it specifically. You feel me?
Yo, that's the same thing with my store, man. I just put up a store on my site to sell my book.
Yeah. You got a book?
Yeah. I don't like the design.
Yeah.
But it's functional.
Yeah.
It works. But that's about it. The store works. Like, literally, you can go. I made one sale. Woohoo! Hashtag ring.
Ching ching.
Or ching ching, yeah. Hashtag ching ching. I made one sale, but it works. It works, but I don't like the overall design of it. So don't be hating on my store. If you see my store, don't hate on my store. Huh?
How long been up?
2 weeks.
Okay. You been promoting it?
Huh?
You been promoting
I've been promoting it on the Caesar Life, so these guys already know.
Oh, okay.
And I haven't been promoting it on social media like that. Maybe just one quick promo. Because my store is ugly.
Don't let her run.
I'm like, I gotta figure out the whole etiquette of this store thing.
Yeah,
so
I definitely feel what you're saying.
we got Chris in the building, and if you don't remember, anyway, at the date of this recording, it is 4/4.
4/4/19.
And we had an episode discussing what 4/4/19 means. So if you don't know, go check it out. Again, I'll put that in the description below. But we're gonna be talking about it in a second. My man pulled up so we could have like this meeting of the minds thingamajig. And yeah, Day of Greatness, baby.
And he talking about like your immediate circle. Another person that got knowledge is Frankie. He got a day in movement. It's all about, squeeze all small wins, day in, day out, and really just committing and focusing all out of positive energy. I fully support the message. I think he's one of those people that a lot of people should follow when it comes to the mentality, when it comes to execution, when it comes to a lot of the philosophies and theories of, I really call it theories, I hate the word theories, but more of ideals of really what it takes to like be successful. I think there's a lot of parallels in your success in fitness, because you can fake a lot of things, but you cannot fake fitness. You feel what I'm saying? You can act like you're rich, you can act like you're happy, you can fake a lot of things, but you cannot fake fitness. If I put 225 on a bar, either you can lift it or you can't. If you're trying to lose weight, either you did the work or you didn't. You know what I'm saying? Like it's that black and white. So I think with his whole day in, day out movement and aligning to fitness and what that comes down to, I think it translates a lot into your real life success and execution as far as you accomplishing your goals. So I think with him, like, I remember from the first time I met the dude, I was like, yo, he got it. Like, he may not be able to name what it is, but he got it just because he has a strong understanding of self. He has a very strong understanding of like the discipline and all that kind of stuff. So fully support it. Yo, day in, day out. Look, I don't have the band. I ain't got on the wave yet, but I fully support it. Day of Greatness. I gotta acknowledge it.
So Chris and I are just chilling at the Park Plaza Hotel right now. We was just chopping it up. I did a quick little interview for upcoming video series that he's doing for his socials, and now he's watching the Caesar Life, which you guys should, if you're watching this. Thank you. Anyway, yeah. So we chilling in the Park Plaza lounge, talking about branding, talking about money-making activities.
Oh, we talking about the MMAs again?
MMAs. I love that. I love that. Yo, that definitely should be
another shirt.
Another shirt.
MMAs.
Yo.
Yep.
Boom.
Yo.
So he just tests these shirts out.
Yeah. Lasagna.
Yeah, market responds, and then he ships them out.
You need to find out.
Easy.
Yep. But yeah, man, what's new?
The ebook is out. It's live, man, and I'm still working on it. Like I mentioned, like I just showed him the contents, which is pretty dope. Hop in there, looking to make all your gains or all your goals, basically, striving for greatness. Or
you've reached greatness already.
By the mere fact of you stumbling upon this channel, one,
you already reached greatness.
You already reached greatness.
You already reached greatness.
And you just, and by you buying this ebook, you just elevated your greatness just another notch. And by you actually doing what's in the contents of the ebook is just elevating. So literally just baby stepping you to the highest version of yourself, right? And just constantly working on your Project X, right? Until that ideal is realized in its physical form that you can hold it. Right? Boom. So you guys have seen some of the ideals that I'm aspiring to do. And I'm always going to be sharing on the reg, and as soon as it's realized, you're going to see it live on this channel, right? So stay tuned. That's an incentive to stay tuned, right? It's like a daily show, basically. So season 3, we're in like episode 65. This is episode 65.
Whoa, that's a lot.
Yeah,
that's
so
a lot.
Every day. All right, yo, season 4, like, I know I'm projecting, but season 4 is going to be ill because I'm doing a lot of traveling in season 4. So drone is going to come out, and yo, I'm excited. But let's just get through this first series. I've hit a lot of my goals so far, and yeah, just continuing to practice mindfulness and just optimizing each and every day.
But what are your goals?
So
what are you working on right now?
So my Project X, one of the biggest goals, right? And I mentioned, like, once you set a goal and you aspire to reach it, you're already successful. So one of the biggest goals that I have is to create the biggest affiliate networking businesses for fitness professionals that operates all over the world, right? I have no idea how I'm going to get this done, but so far, looking back, I've done so much monumental steps to get me closer and closer to that ideal. One of them being creating an awesome product, which is the Stop Exercising, Start Training series, link in the description, right? And somebody purchased it. I got to get this guy's name, but thank you for being like the very first customer, right? You definitely helped me just like put a big smile on my face. Hashtag ching ching.
There it is. You got that one right.
I got it right. Yeah. So
just give him a ring.
Yeah, I'm trying to move. I'm trying to move 300 units. I'm trying to move 300 units. That'll put me in a great position to help serve you guys more. Because as I'm able to bring more experts to help you guys realize more of your ideals, you know, help you guys grow. It'll help me grow some more too. So, you know, like, it just takes one investment, and that investment is just suspending disbelief and know that I will never steer you wrong. All right, like, this is pretty much the foundational phase that every person should go through. It's in the contents of this book, and once you go through that and your body is physically prepared, like, the future programs, sky's the limit for you.
Yeah, it's kind of like the same concept when I'm talking about branding and stuff. I always tell people, you can't build a house without a strong foundation. Facts. So what can you do to lay that strong foundation? Because you also can't build you can't also build a house on the same foundation. I mean, a skyscraper on the same foundation you build a house on. The higher the vision, the stronger the foundation has to be. So
when it starts with this one.
So when it comes to, like you said, if you're talking about laying the foundation, it's like, you know, I'm assuming you have to have a level of mindfulness as far as goal setting and where you're trying to go. And the higher your goal is, the more time you're going to actually have to take to actually into this program that you created. Is what is it that you are ultimately trying to achieve, and what type of effort and commitment are you willing to put into it? 'Cause after that,
you gotta, like, I've like extended the olive branch, like, hey, I know that people who are following this channel are like struggling to get started on their fitness journey, and on top of that, they're just constantly bombarded by tons of information. I've simplified it. I've broken it down into like the finest minute detail, where I show you the video series. I even outline in the programming every movement from warm up to cool down, right? And basically your feedback is what's going to generate more of a better product, right? It's like, give it to the market, get feedback from the market, and version 2.0, version 3.0. Like the iPhone 10 now, right? Before it didn't have no camera, but now it's like
front facing, rear facing
camera, HD. Who knows? You might see me work out in like a hologram in the next program. Who knows, right? But it's just like getting you guys your results first. And I'm going to be in the community, there to coach you up, and there to see you just like, I would not rest until you reach your goals, right? Whether it's financial, because I will be coaching you through the affiliate marketing side, I'll be coaching you through the physical side, the mental, all of it, man. So I'm super excited, I'm pumped, and I'm like relaxed. Like that book, Power versus Force, like at first I was forcing it, but now I'm like, yo, just let go. Just let go. You did the work. Now just let the universe respond in like kind. Right. So that's what I'm here to do. Anyways, we're going to get back to what we do. I'm going to also leave his links down below in the description, so you could just go hit him up and show him some love on his page. It's like, yo, this is like one of the best marketing minds that I've ever come in contact with, and he's helping me out a ton, you know. You know what I'm saying? So look out for a bunch of his stuff coming your way. And I'm gonna sign off in this video because I got tons to do today as well.
And I'm starving. I got some lunch.
Lunch, all of that. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, holla at your guala. Peace.
You reach greatness.